camera.
Yep.
In order. Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Right, just tell me when to stop. Stop there. Okay. Just think in your head of that card there, yeah?
Wait, let me see.
Just think of that card there, yeah?
Okay.
Right, okay. So I'm going to put that in the middle of the deck, right? Do you want to just slide it into the middle? Okay, right. Right. And that card was in the middle of the deck, and your card was the 5 of spades, right? Okay. For this next bit, I'm just going to mark it, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
With a pen that works. We need a pen, guys.
No.
Well, this is going well.
Okay, it's on there. I've done it. It's fine. Right. And so I've just wrote like a Z or a 2, and I'm going to put that back in the middle of the deck. Right, okay. But your card's no longer in this deck, yeah?
Okay.
Right, okay.
That's embarrassing.
Hang on, do I have 70p or something? Yeah. Do you want to follow you?
Okay. I'm so excited right now. Hi, Charlotte. I'm so excited right now. He's doing a magic trick. I think he's gonna make some appear in the vending machine. I'm really excited.
So that's a packet of crisps, right?
Yeah.
Just check that packet of crisps for me. Just a normal packet, yeah?
Yeah.
Right. Do you want to now open this packet of crisps, yeah?
Okay.
Remember, your card was 5 of spades and it just had a Z in it, yeah?
Yeah.
Just had a Z.
There's a card in the crisp. Oh my god. How did you do that? How did you do that?
And it's marked?
Yeah.
Yeah, in the same place.
Yeah. How'd you do that?
Do you want to just show everybody else out there?
How'd you do that?